What up, peeps? Kyle with K&R Destinations. And we'd like to welcome you to our new K&R Eats Kitchen. For those who don't know, go back and check out our last video, and you gotta watch it all the way to the end to find out what's cracking. Anyways, on today's video, we have something a little bit different. I don't think I've ever cooked before, but thought I'd give it a whirl, and thought we'd bring you guys along with it. So I hope you enjoy.
I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotion. Got my statement, and I'm...
All right, so today's menu is actually going to be seafood Alfredo. We're going to put a little bit of basil leaves in there, some oregano, salt and pepper. I got my garlic here, which I'm going to crush up in my molcajete. Release all that flavor in there. We got our sea scallops. We have our shrimp, heavy whipping cream. We're going to do a penne pasta this time. Our butter, Parmesan cheese, and then I picked up this Italian cheese blend, which has the mozzarella, the provolone, Parmesan Romano, Fontina, and Asiago. So that should be delish. Our garlic salt, and I'm going to make some garlic bread. So stick around, peeps. We're going to get this going, and I hope you freaking love it as much as we're going to. At least I hope so. Never made it before. We're going to find out. Whew, man, that's working good. Put a little olive oil in here. Alright, looking pretty good. We're going to add a little bit of salt and pepper to it. Like I said, I want to let the Alfredo do the talking. Alright, we're going to let that continue to cook. Alright, shrimp's looking pretty good. So we're going to move this over here and strain it. Let that sit. Scallops. Get some butter down. What I will do, a little bit of oregano, a little bit of the bay leaves, need to kind of baste these. Now the great thing about this new oven, new stove, is a single fact that I can cook more than one thing at a time. Got plenty of room. So these are pretty much finished up. So let's get them over here. So I want to make sure I get all of that beautifully flavored butter. Alright, we're getting this butter melted. We'll get this garlic put in here. We got all mashed up. Man, if you could smell this right now, all that garlic and butter cooking. Got our water getting boiled for the penne. Tell ya, that is some sweet smelling stuff right there. Alright, we're now going to add in our heavy whipping cream. We're going to add in our cheese. You know how we are with our cheese. Oh yeah. Pretty gooey. We're gonna keep that heat up a little bit more. Go ahead and get some of that penne pasta cooking. Because what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take some of this pasta water after it boils for a little while and pour it in here. That way it's got some of that starchy. Kick that heat down a little bit. We don't want that boiling over. Kick this heat down a little bit. We're going to go ahead and add that shrimp in there. Oh yeah. Alright, let's get one final stir here. We're going to go ahead and shut this one off. We're not going to need it anymore. That penne is looking really good. Alright, some garlic salt on here. So we're going to get that moved out of the way. Oh yeah, look at that beauty. Now we're We'll get a little bit on the back. Man, hey, that's hot. Be careful. So, today's random stranger in the new and improved K&R Eats kitchen. Oh, look at that beautiful woman. So what do we think of the new homemade Alfredo sauce with your shrimp and garlic bread? A little hot, I know. Don't burn the mouth.
Let's try the bread.
Good?
Yep.
Nice and garlicky?
They're very good, babe.
So, we tried something new, something different. Came out pretty fabulous. Not sure if it's Italiano restaurant quality, but it's definitely K&R Eats quality. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Feel free to make your own, share it, let us know. Always love hearing from you guys. But on that note, we're out. I'm gonna go eat. Deuces. Love ya.